can say is wow. What a very inspiring event for today to all of us. Inspired ba kayong lahat? Honestly, no. I myself, hindi lang po inspired, but so much excited. Gusto ko nang matapos ang year na to. Parang confident.
And to all the agents who are with us today, it is your unyielding support, relentless drive, and strong commitment that have brought us here.
Happy selling, everyone. I hope that you've had food for your stomach, food for your bulsa with the raffles, and a little food for thought. Thank you and good night, everyone. The social responsibility that we carry today is we want to raise the image of the insurance industry. We have a social responsibility to the industry we are a part of, that we are professionals, that we are honorable people, that we have integrity. Na pag nagsabi tayo na ito ang pwede at may nangyari, gagawin ko yung sinabi ko.
The best way to predict the future is to create it. A simple yet profound quote filled with the vast opportunities. I hope this serves as a reminder that our future can be shaped based on our collective efforts. The first step to making our vision is a reality now. As to some quotes, start today, shape the future. As we move forward, let's carry the spirit of togetherness with us. Sama-sama tayong lahat. Let's continue to support and inspire each other. Agents and staff, form a passionate team. Let's embrace the challenges and celebrate our victories, big and small. Together, we can achieve remarkable things. Once again, to all the agents, managers, and staff, thank you for your hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment. Let's take this momentum from the kick-off and to make this year the most successful and yet not just for today's celebration. Here's to maybe strong, stronger together on the road to 65 years of excellence. Thank you again, and God bless us all.